We're living at a time where the pornography industry and the filth industry sells itself with billions and billions of dollars. Internet marketers that can sell anything from like bamboo sticks to towels, you know, the most successful internet product, they're in the pornography industry. They're the leaders in marketing. When you go to marketing seminars, internet marketing seminars, the guys at the top of the industry that are making the most bang for the buck are the ones that are selling zina online. They're the ones. So this is completely public now. Can you imagine the damage that it does to the minds of people that are exposed to it? The damage that it's already done? How many children are messed up? How many young adults are messed up? How many marriages are getting destroyed because of these images floating in the public? How almost impossible it's become to not be exposed to some of that filth, no matter how hard you try, because there's so much money pumped into making sure that you'll see something like it. Then there are going to be children, young people, there are going to be innocent people that haven't been exposed to that kind of corrupt images, and this is going to damage them psychologically. It's going to undermine something that is so important to the core of a family. It's going to mess people's minds up. When you make something that should remain private, and you make it public, then it corrupts people. It messes them up. And so the Qur'an comes along and says, this is a very serious problem with very serious ramifications. People will become twisted and confused. They're going to commit crimes that won't even make sense. How many kinds of disgusting crimes are committed in the United States, even against children, and violent sexual crimes? How many are reported every other minute? These are things that happen when you get exposed to this kind of filth over and over again, and it becomes normalized.